Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export a point range from MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So this is particularly useful if you don't want to have all your points exported, if you only want to have a subsection of said points. So you can see I'm on the sample project here, and I'm just going to export kind of a third of my points instead of all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner to open up my main menu, and then click on Import/Export, and then the Points/Observations menu. Within that menu, I'm going to select ASCII coordinate export. And then you can see here, my point list right now is set to all. That means I'm going to export all of my points. What I actually want to export is a subsection of those. So I'm going to export the first 10 points. So all I need to do is 1-10, and that will export all the points between 1 and 10. Now, I'm going to leave all of these other options as the defaults. Obviously, if you wanted a little more information, you would be changing them at this stage. Once I hit OK, it's going to ask me where I want to save it. I'm just going to call this test export and click on save. And you can see that I have an ASCII export. It says I have 8 points exported, so that means there were 8 points with the point IDs between 1 and 10. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you export a subsection or a range of points from MicroSurvey's FieldGenius, at least in this case using the ASCII export option. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.